Hey guys, this is National Stock Trading Academy. My name is Dave. Welcome to the weekly update. So this is the update where we discuss how we performed in the market over the week. So let's get started. So this week started on 20th August, which was Monday. So let's start from there. So as you can see, I did not trade on that day. This is 20th August. So no trade was taken on this account on the particular day. So let's move to the next day, which is Tuesday, and which is 21st of August. So this is 21st of August. I just traded one single trade, and it was a bigger trade, but was not going according to the plan. So I had to exit this trade early, but still I was able to make 4,000 out of it. So this was a risk around 3,800. So this is around 1:1 already, but still it's not that good trade. It's like I closed the trade before my target due to the trade management which I follow. So this was 20th August. As you can see over there, market did not go anywhere. It was going up and down, and that's why I had to get out with just 4,000 rupees. And since we are already on this chart, so if you are seeing these arrows, let me tell you, these arrows are from the trading room, and so we made those prediction in the trading room when the market was here itself. So you see these moves, these were forecasted way before when the market reached over there, and that's why we were able to trade with that much accuracy in the market. So anyways, this was the 21st of August. I did trade Jindal, but that was the only single trade which I took. So let's move to the next day, which is I think Wednesday. So this is 23rd. So I guess there was a 22nd. So 22nd was a holiday, as you know. So no trade was taken on that day as well. So this was 23rd of August, and I did trade again Jindal, and this day I got whatever I wanted. So I was able to get 14,000 out of the market, and in this trade actually I saw the setup and I got the confirmation. So this entire move was taken in that trade. So that's the result of 14,000 rupees out of this leg. So then we come to the next day, which is 24th of August, and this is I guess Friday. Yes, that is Friday. So this is the last day and I was able to get the big profit, but this is a loss. I tried to trade Jindal, so I did over risk trade, but as you know guys, this is a market and this is not 100% accurate all the time. So even if you are so sure of the trade, just make sure we are not risking the money which we cannot afford to lose. So as long as we do that, we are fine in the market. So anyways, let's go to the next trade, so which happened to be trade of the week, and which is ICICI Bank. I was able to get more than 50,000 out of it. So this is ICICI Bank and I was able to get it. This was suggested by one of the student in the trading room, and this was the level when we were paying attention, because this is a potential reversal for the market. When we saw no sign of the market reversing, I did trade this entire leg and book the profit out of it. So this is 15 minute actually, that's why it's looking this. I'll tell you exact. So this is somewhere over there I got involved and this entire leg was taken. So that's conclude with the 60,000 trade. So this is how I finished my week. So fortunately all day of the month was positive for me, and I was able to get good returns on my capital this month. I think we have one more week in this month, so this is a month of 5 weeks I guess. So guys, this is the update from National Stock Trading Academy on the equity account. So with that said done, I'm signing it off. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.